Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2006 Honda GL 1800 Goldwing. This bike has 60,300 miles on it roughly and is in incredible shape. They've done an awesome job of keeping this bike nice and clean. Plus it's got a bunch of nice highlights on it. So let's take our walk around it, show it to you, then we'll fire this touring bike up for you. And the people that know Goldwings, 60,000 miles is nothing for these motorcycles. Service will determine if it needs a new front tire. It comes with a light smoke tinted windshield. It has highway pegs, air deflectors. We do have one little scrape here on the back side of the mirror. Grips, reservoir covers, cup holder for the driver, cup holder for the passenger. Also comes with a media mount and aftermarket grips. It also has footboards for both the driver and the passenger. It has a hitch mount on it, as well as a luggage rack with flag holders on it. And again, footboards for the driver. This bike also has a heel toe shifter set up. Like I said, really clean. Couple of little minor scrapes on it like that, scuffs, but very, very minimal. Not too many. 60,299 is what's on it. Got a lot of nice chrome trim on this bike too. Service will measure out the rear tire as well. And again, got a couple of little minor scuffs on the mirror, so. This Goldwing will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a lifetime discount on parts, labor, and more accessories for the entire time you own this Goldwing from us. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.